Hello. It's been a while. I don't remember if I know how to do this. I don't remember if I know how to... Yeah, that was right. See, it's been that long. Don't even know how to talk. Also, I got a ring light. It was an impulse buy. Just like the rest of this video. Got a new drone. So, we're going to do a video about it. First things first. I bought this with my own money. Put it on a credit card. So, this is not in no way, shape, or form sponsored. I have been flying drones since this was my first drone. This is the DJI Phantom 2. It is big, it is bulky, it is the drone that you had to attach a GoPro to or another camera to and hope to God that you got the shot, because there's no way of knowing. It was fun, it almost shot my foot off. It was a fantastic drone. I'm glad that I got it, I'm glad that I did it. The next drone that I got was significantly better. I waited for a while. This is the DJI Mavic Pro. It was their first like folded drone. It's as big as my palm. If you can see that right there. Boom, 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 boom. It was easy to travel with. You put it in the backpack with the camera and you were solid. But I'm really excited about this one. Again, just a little bit bigger than the hand. The goggles. This is a game changer. This is wild. The little dials on the bottom move in and out for like narrow eyes like myself. And that's how you adjust it to your eyesight. Fits in the head nice, comfortable. You can wear it for a decent amount of time. In that, there's also a picture-in-picture, which is really cool. Say you put down your controller and you don't know where it's at, you double tap the side, and you can see your view from your drone up here, and then your view from the goggles looking out, like live view. The only thing I'll say with that, do not rely on that to like walk around. It'll mess you up. There's no depth perception. I almost bought a regular controller as well, but this is what comes with it. This is it. It's not big. My hands aren't huge, and you can lose it like in my hands. It's not large, just a few buttons, side button, and then your trigger, forward, backwards, the whole 9 yards. It's like an Oculus, but you're holding a rocket ship because this thing is fast. I'm used to flying with this long time ago, or now I'm more used to something like this. The cockpit style handle, I will call it, is really cool. It does make you feel like you're flying an airplane. This feels insane, and it works very well. So here is a video I shot at my grandparents' house, and I did it on a day where the wind was a consistent 20 miles per hour. So it was windy. This thing is not heavy, and it handled the wind like a champ. I don't suggest I was going out there 20 mile per hour day, 30 mile per hour wind day, but it did it, and it did it like a champ. So this is as fast as I have gone at this point in sport mode. I haven't gone full manual yet, but it's fantastic. It works great. The other thing that's really cool inside the drone, and again, I've only had this drone for a little bit, but it does a lot of really fun stuff. So the acro, or the easy acro as they're calling it, is that. It is really easy. The flips are easy. The drifting is a weird thing to get used to, but it's really cool. They've made FPV so easy to tackle anymore that anybody can do it. It is definitely an intro to FPV. I imagine this is going to cost me a lot of money in the future because I'm going to want to do more of this for sure. But they made it super easy, and it's a lot of fun. It records onto a bunch of different mediums, like the goggles themselves. In the goggles themselves, there is a SD card, and you can record the view in which you are seeing as you record. What you see when you're recording and what's actually being recorded because of the rock steady like stabilization is different. So like if this is a video of what I was actually looking at as I shot the video. And then right next to it is the video, same video, but it's stabilized, and it looks fantastic. So it is a little bit different. It's really cool that you can do that. The drone itself has, I think it's 46 gigs internally, and then you have the option to throw in another SD card in there as well. So if you're gonna be out there recording a whole bunch, you can do so. I bought the Fly More combo, and with that you get your, obviously your goggles, your drone, your controller, but you also get this little handy thing. It's the smart charger, which is really sweet. It charges the 3 batteries, but it doesn't do them all at the same time, so you have to wait for all of them to charge. It charges the 1, then 2, then 3. There's a lot more science behind that. Go look at DJI's thing on it. But it's cool, because then you can grab the one that's charged and let the rest of them charge, which is sick. If you're out and about, you don't have this thing, you can charge it straight through the USB-C, which thank God it's USB-C, because I'm sick of all the other connections. Make it one connection all the way across the board. I am team one connection. I don't care what it is, just get it done. With that, Flymar, also, you got this sweet lunchbox. Just kidding. This is what everything folds or fits into. This is great because I can take this and put it with my camera gear. So I can grab my camera bag and my drone bag and leave. So I'm not carrying around. I'll show you what my Phantom 2 came in. Not came in, what I got, because it didn't come in anything. Look at this thing. It's huge. It's heavy. It's bulky. Yes, it's waterproof. It is fantastic. I don't regret buying it, because I will repurpose it and I'll use it for something else. But now you get this sweet, it's small, it's compact, it looks nice. Packaging, is a big deal. It shouldn't be, but it definitely is. But I got it because I want to do inside stuff. Prop guards are huge for that. So I'm really excited to get into it a little bit. But this is for the normal consumer who's, if you're thinking about getting into a drone, this one is a lot of fun. It's not gonna get you the big, giant, ridiculous cinematic shots, like overhead, slow moving. This thing wants to go fast. Go fast. It will go slow, but that's not fun. Go fast, that's the whole point. That's it. And again, I was not paid for this. I was not given this. I went and bought this one with my own hard-earned cash. So hopefully this just helps any other normal Joe Schmo or Jill Schmo or whatever. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and feels good to be back. Also, this ring light's kind of cool. I don't know, it's kind of fun.